we're getting better and better, as it would be my assessment of the industry, right? We're getting better and better. We're becoming better digital marketers. We're becoming better at driving traffic to our own websites. We're doing all the right things, or we're moving in the right direction. But then we get the opportunity and we fumble. And I've talked about it on the show so many times. Like, why do we have this expectation of our teams being awesome, and then we provide them no training, we provide them no opportunities to rehearse, we provide them no script, we provide them no baseline of what the expectation of performance is. Like, we wouldn't have that on a professional team, a sports team. Why do we just have that expectation in the car business? Like, and listen, and I know it sounds like a generalization, and I know that there's some great dealers out there, but let's start there, man.
I think one of the biggest challenges, talking about that, is turnover in the industry. There's been several articles written, and a lot of dealers have as high a turn as 70% in a 12-month period. And so it makes it very challenging to get everybody on the same page. And unless you're training constantly with, especially if you're in a larger store, a store that has a lot of turnover, it's like, man, I'm going to be training these people, and then they're going to take that somewhere else. So how do I maximize that here at the dealership? And I think that's one of the biggest challenges, but it's also one of the biggest opportunities, because as every one of those leads come in, when those new people come in and we get those opportunities with leads and everything else, what we need to do is make sure that we're maximizing those opportunities, regardless of thinking about staff turning over and things like that. I mean, it's what can we do today to make our team better? Because most dealers don't struggle with quantity of leads. It's just trying to figure out how to maximize, those opportunities that they do have.